youth no Ghana youth no ma organize your youth no bia meje $10,000 in cost starting abrabo. It is at $10,000 now was sama grada no. The best job was in Sammy Gyamfi would any say.
Welcome to the political round with me, the voice right here on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. DJ Bommy, Asemu Penipa. Your first guy cry saying, Kweku chains. DJ Bommy, Asemu Penipa. Nipa never anyone say, And Ukre say, Assembly C. Ewo wunya so a pesa okebi no. Usuko okebia hweye na obi anim echina. Obi anim na esi echina, ebesi echina. When I look at all the back and forth cost between after Sammy Gyamfi, lawyer Sammy Gyamfi has dashed Agrada money, it teaches me a lot of lessons. Now, but my lessons, I'll keep them to myself. Whatever I'm learning for this whole thing, the media, I'll keep it to myself. What I'm here to report on is Twene Jonas, or see, His Excellency John Mahama. Oh yeah, Oman Penino. And Sambi say, na he answer about take action. And see, or no Twene Jonas no, or expect to say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama will, as a matter of urgency, sack lawyer Sammy Gyamfi from PMMC Honum. One say Sammy Gyamfi, acting managing director of PMMC, Precious Minerals, and also a chairman of the GoldBod, and small boy danger, and a young man danger, or a very, very powerful man, John Dramani Mahama administration. Now, over the weekend, and a video be by and as video nimuno, lawyer Sammy Gyamfi was seen splashing the cash. Now, Ghana for bebre dodo say na cash no say anka Ghana scar say Ghana cities anka money asem ya. Esan say Ghana cities there. Say lawyer Sammy Gyamfi dodo say wanye juma bia ba jama otimi ebia we connected otimi call vacation or Miami nyina. Who knows? But the issue here is say the money being splashed no dollars so Donald Trump's car. And the way they want to make to our money, Africa money, or got a job of funya. They be way they want to make to. Yes, the sky.
What's the summer? Boys now more brenna or more need you maybe a deal on Ghana or no. Until what the taxpayers' money no, what's the summer more behind you know for starting a brabo? That is the right thing to do. And you're crying for bar on where we are in Nipa or Ghana, no ma. Where we are, what do put Nipa Danisikani, what do put Nipa, Robu Nipa Danisikani, and now Sansesa, and here for taxpayers' money, command. Say only, and Sankan. What you say, what Jimmy Dodo, your mama only charge 2 million. Only Chabas, only MMI Tuesday now suspended Sammy Gyamfi and Donya Menubu because our power ultimately suspended Chief Justice Mua. Ultimately, at the open suspending a brown fanning court, my court to me judgment. Now, with Jimmy Quasia, we has what to say, man, paying your judgment. Man, paying autocratic government now, you know. Mwamo. Obidi Bonia, Fanoko Court, Obidi Bonia, Mahama, and Foul Pen me Jimmy, essay, and I weigh a judgment. Cecilia de Moyano, Uberman letter commission year and this year free listeners. Once an anime church the arms of government, executive, legislature, and a judiciary. And to say me the judiciary need diagro. Ceciano, John Mahama Crano, Sa Sikaya, Sammy Gyamfi, we are going to come our chinty. Court, common security court, bit my suspended John Mahama. Common security court, bit my charge John Mahama. What I say, enti, Semono, my imagine say my Jimmy, Abra, my banana, ya, enka. 4 years, Kramunko Mukota, 4 months penal. Master Tebe Yaka Sisem, my started by 2 years Kanagu, Master Tebe Chesama Jimmy Cratch MPP for Yate, Master Tebe Chesama Jimmy Chan MPP for Yate, and when you sika, a DNS Estopo says Sika in Kafakoma youth, no, Bia and Ghana for 1 to Abama will say, Mumfesicana Mesum too. Until me ujo mama de ne kwase agina ho me supply pad abiku. Na no ye ma he won 292 million de ko supply pad. Adentina simple solution pad no obi ahia ema ne hia entity pad company taxes so. Na ema no bi adwuma ma youth no. Say sika fa bi factory. Oh, ni ya employ make sure say ya employ you for ni na nipa na nya adwuma ya aboso nyo beyi na katua ni bia koto pad. The most wise decision ever. But ena mo selfish oh yanko kum nipa ye fa pad nhye o mutwem na o mutwem pronti mo selfish decision ti da bi chinchinia say mo supply pad man enko for man om de ko hye o mutwem man panyin be na o wiase a odwene akora eho a obedwene ne twempo ho mi hu bi da. It is a John Mama boy in Mr. Padman, aka Doom, so John Mama Kwasi.
Near called the only me to Sanyu. As I say, Scarlo as Sammy Gyamfi splashing, and ye Ghana money. A dollar. They are money, US money, Donald Trump money, or God is spending nyafu. If you the job nyala, or God go job nyafu. Sammy Gyamfi is spending Donald Trump's currency. Yeah. Away 4 months or buying more. 4 months. 4 months or buying. They say the omu can scanner na out me do drona. Out me say boga wo fie. Killers wo fie. Killers nie yenye. Hey Ghana party. Ghana say the under NDC are buying we no Ghana a crime scene. Just this past 4 months from 7th January to now, Ghana done a crime scene. Everybody is making sure say they will outsmart the system. That's what everyone is doing. Obia person automatic system no. Especially among your Mohammed's appointees. Now, Obia and Bisa also call BBI say code of ethics and code of conduct or BBB sound. This is the time to see if Jesus John Mahama means any business. This is the time. Said John Mahama, His Excellency, to make palms Sammy Gyamfi. Over this, what has happened there, we will all know, say,
and a journey and march home. Me won't be that. Man, penny be our journey, say, and Krakow school, Umbenya Kunya Papa Swatna, and Krakow school, Umbenya Buku Papa, Eddie Suyadia, and Krakow school, Syllabosono, Yebenya, a proper courses, school, Yabetcha, Amomania, some type of skills be. School now, they should be able to use that skills to be able to work for themselves without depending on nobody. That is what a manpenini think about. Manpenini really obi bacha ho. I just say what ye wudini manpenini and really obi bacha ho. This say ye wudini and to say your mama find kwasi and suspend this Sammy Gyamfi. Unfair Chief Justice no me na adwuma because the same job na mu nyina amaye. Chief Justice we sika oni akofo no me akronfo. Sammy Gyamfi we sika ono se yakronfo taxpayers money unko yi $10,000 emfa nche obi kwasia o Sammy Gyamfi we adwuma na wo ye no eje akatua 100 years kura untimi save $10,000 odwan unya sika no wen eye gold sika no amudi be bia adwuma no na wo kwasia bema ko Jimmy akufo adom ye akronfo ba omiam ye akronfo no mo kura de mo ye akronfo che mo wo Sammy Gyamfi wo fi wo kankan Jimifo wo ti se kruaba be matantan wo ne nam Ghana ho how many years in here 8 years 16 years untimi nche Ghana cedis once I 1 million kura wo kameram da me donyame enra ya ye kukuru posusu awa wasi se sika no e de che dollars eguka mu fua na wo che wo ya boa Sammy Gyamfi wo Jimmy amebo pam ya ba bo wo anu abusuafo asio John Mama no ntimi nkasa me omusuro me omde omu Jimmy ko bo pa se Kevin Taylor boa no form meto amanem no ready na me fanya omo me bo mu back to back student amu wie school nyina mo meji sika we student amu wie university nyina mo meji sika we mfa nko start madwuma university graduate kura enkanyansa wom dan se obesi se sika na koma kronfo a no dupu nipa nyam kura no magimi ankesa agra dada prison enti wenya mo first and last amude mo kwasia ebe kwa kwasisa ya dollars na kwache bio enti me ma John Mama up to Tuesday on suspended ayi friends Sammy Gyamfi a onko free Chief Justice no man adwuma because o ya boa obi ya kronfo no suspending na obi so ya kronfo suspending no what just say MPP ni ya kronfo ani ti no suspending na won so NDC ni ya kronfo a so suspending no na e draw na fe politician bia nim se wo wies capable jo mama be suspend o but so when timi an suspend Sammy Gyamfi dia na say enkwasea selfish decision na make here on Chief Justice. Yes, suspending Chief Justice because of a criminal or a kronfo. Sammy Gyamfi did that same bone no. Yentime suspending na enkwasea mamuo. And to any mo first and last NDC for no man wey nam kosi Jimmy amebo pa mo bi abepomo we batwo man for amu afiam di Sammy Gyamfi achi no omo mani ahoden bia wo metumi ama boys na akom di omo no omo te da me ho na omo no me dada omo mo beto abama amu na mo di sika ne che akronfo mo we sika ne bi no metumi ama omo sika na omo aba be attack mo ya abepomo ma ama kura no information arich me say ofie wo bare bamboy omo passion no boys
he means business. But anything short of that, it ain't working. Anything short of that, ain't gonna see a gap because it's just going to be lip service. So we are all waiting to see. Twene Jonas said, "Winner who here? Winner." And Sammy say, "Ba." And I say, "Oh, permanent panu." And yet Chief Justice, and bring back Chief Justice and sack Sammy Gyamfi. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications. Right, anytime videos of this nature I've uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.